every penny. Lagi niyo akong naririnig, wala akong pakialam kung gumasta ako ng 2 milyon sa isang tao. Yung pera, mawawala, kikitain. Pero yung buhay, pag nawala, hindi ko na may babalik. But when you give a chance to extend a life, extend days, or even survive, and the only reason in between for him or her to have a healthy life is to have proper medical procedure, then so be it. Hindi ako mangingimik na gumasta ng milyon-milyon sa isang tao. Mabuhay ka lang.
Mga minamahal kong kapwa ko Batang Maynila, kapiling na po natin ang ating minamahal na punong lungsod, kagalang-galang Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. At ang ating ikalawang punong lungsod, Vice Mayor Angela
Morning,
Lane
Vice.
G. Atienza.
Galayan kahit saan.
Maraming salamat po. Muli po palakpakan po natin Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Tayo po ay magsiupo muna at sabay-sabay po natin saksihan po ang pagpirma sa plano at pag-insert nito sa capsule. Pinipirmahan na po ng ating punong lungsod, ng ating Vice Alcalde, ng ating Congressman Ernest, our City Health Officer of Manila Health Department, Dr. Grace H. Padilla, at ng CEO ng Prime, at ni Engineer Andres, ang plano at ang dyaryo na isasama para ilagay sa capsule. Siyempre nakita ko rin po ang ating pong mga kasamahan mula po sa PhilHealth, Miss Yvonne and company. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ganap na pong napirmahan ang plano at ang mga dyaryo. At ito po ay ipapasok na sa capsule. Ganap na pong naipasok sa kapsula ang plano at ang dyaryo. Ganap na pong natakpan ang capsule. At opisyal na po ang pagsisimula ng rehabilitation and renovation ng Flora V. Balisno de Siojo Dialysis Center. At sa lahat po na naging bahagi po ng ating programa ngayong umaga, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mula po sa tanggapan ng ating minamahal na Alkalde, Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, maraming salamat po at ingat po tayong lahat. Manila! God first! Thank you.
Sayang naman, yun! Punta ka sa CPO, ipamista ka.
Hindi po yun. Doon sa kabila ko, meron.
Halika na sa bahay.
Ma'am, dito sa tayo sa kabila. Umakapit ako, sorry kami.
Kailan? Okay, saan tayo? Dito boss kita. Nararamdaman yan. Darating pa yung mga 1 week. No? Mga posibleng na infection sa magpapake. That's why, ahead of time, as you all know, the city prepared this medicine or doxycycline made available in our health centers and in our hospital to any John Doe's and Mary na pwedeng kumuha 250,000 plus capsules. Well prepared medicine, and this will add protection to possible victim because of the exposure sa pagmahal ng tao. Ay, okay naman. The good thing about Manila is that I think, as I have said a while ago, we are the largest healthcare provider in the entire country with regard to local government units owned hospital. We have 7 hospitals, we have 44 health centers all over the city. So, in terms of numbers, we have not achieved the level of threat the way it was during the pandemic time. Medyo yung kasi overwhelmed. But with regard to the exposure to leptospirosis patients, we are still in a good condition, but it is very important that we, the government, local and national, should look into this. Kami lang medyo panatag kami kasi alam na namin mangyayari. Dahil year on year naman, may baha, may bagyo. So, and based on our data that we have acquired
and analyze in the past years, we came prepared in our own little way as a city government na abatan itong posibleng pagdami ng infeksyon sa tao na leptos.
Dito naman tayo,
But we're okay.
naman tayo. Leptos ka ba?
Did you say yung lower than the previous years?
Hindi pa tapos kasi katulad ng unang-unang naturan, hindi pa yung linya. Pag antabay ka pa ng mga 1 week, medyo baka pumalo pa. So after that, we settle, we compare the data with regard to number of exposure year on year, kung tumaas ba, bumaba ba, or the most important thing, more than those numbers, whether bumaba o tumaas, sana walang ma-discuss. Kasi it's a very dangerous infection also. Yeah, we're okay.
Sa Manila LG
Manila LG
Hospital.
Hospital.
Gusto ako dati sa dialysis. Bakit ginagawa?
May bulok na eh.
Ibig sabihin naman,
We have to renovate the entire building, make it more maliwalas, and with a new partner that guarantees the protection of the city government and the people of Manila's interest.
Wala silang mensahe sa ating mga kababayan.
Okay. Una, hindi ko malaman kung paano kayo umiwas sa baha. Because baha is everywhere. Not only in Manila, but the entire Metro Manila kapag may baha. In as much as you can, umiwas tayo sa baha. But even if, limbawa, mababaha tayo. Limbawa, ahead of time, there is medicines available to further protect with regard to availability of doxycycline in our health centers, in our hospitals. We still have about 200,000 more capsules. We did it already in the last rainy season, yung August, September last year, remember? So we did it again today.
available yun lahat, health center.
Available. At huwag po kayong mahihiya o ito po yung pangkalahatan, ano? Kasi may mga inquiry sa Facebook ko. Pang mahirap lang ba yan? Hindi po. Pang tao. So tao. So yun, mahirap, middle class, mayaman, can avail of this.
And even hindi po residente ng Manila.
Kung kinakailangan maproteksyonan because at the end of the day, sa amin din tatakbong ospital yan dahil dito rin sila nagkaroon ng infection. So, it's gonna cost us more, spend more, instead of maproteksyonan namin, mas maraming tao, mas maganda. The way it was in the pandemic, nakita niyo naman, pinilit namin yakapin ang kaya namin yakapin. Because yung kabutihan nila, habang sila yung tumutungo in and out of the city, ikabutihan din ng mga taga-syudad ng Manila. Lesser infection with regard to infectious disease is better for the people of Manila. And it is better for our medical facilities. Hindi kami machuchok, mabubulon. Wala naman tosca sa Maynila. Liway lagi. Thank you, ah. Maraming palipso na.